Welcome to For Each Loop. Iterate collections with zero hassle. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Using a standard for loop to traverse a list requires managing indices and bounds. How do we iterate collections easily? Manual index management is error-prone, off-by-one errors are common, code is verbose, and less readable. For each loop simplifies iteration by handling traversal automatically. How is for each loop used in the real world? List processing. Iterate through collections easily. Array summation. Calculate totals without indices. Data filtering. Find matching elements in collections. For each loop powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without for each loop? Manually tracking array indices while iterating. Look at how messy the code gets. Index variable clutter, risk of off-by-one errors. Verbose iteration syntax. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution for each loop. Look how clean the code is now. No index management, cleaner syntax. Works with collections. Compare the difference. And that is why we use for each loop. Let's see how to implement for each loop in code. Here is the implementation. Create array. Initialize with fruit names. For each syntax. Loop through each element. Print element. Display current fruit. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is the main purpose of a for each loop? Which one is correct? The correct answer is simplifies iteration over arrays and collections. What is the correct syntax for a for each loop? Which one is correct? The correct answer is uses colon, smiley face to separate variable from collection. What does this code print? Which one is correct? The correct answer is iterates through array, prints each element. Can you modify array elements in a for each loop? Which one is correct? The correct answer is primitive arrays. Yes. Collections. Depends on type. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.